Welcome to the Introduction to Machine Learning on Big Data. In this session, we will explore how to scale machine learning algorithms for massive datasets and distributed computing environments. We will cover the essential concepts of machine learning, big data, and distributed computing. Let's understand what big data means. Traditional data refers to structured, small datasets that can fit into memory and be processed on a single machine. On the other hand, big data consists of massive and complex datasets that require distributed processing and specialized tools. The characteristics of big data can be summarized by the three V's: volume, which refers to the amount of data; velocity, which is the speed at which data is generated; and variety, indicating the different types of data. Let's compare traditional machine learning with big data machine learning. Traditional machine learning typically involves single machine processing, where the data can fit into memory. Processing is generally done in batches, and feature engineering is relatively simple. In contrast, big data machine learning employs distributed computing, with data spread across multiple nodes. It supports both real-time and batch processing, and involves more complex feature pipelines. Big data machine learning comes with its own set of challenges. Scalability is a significant issue, as algorithms must be capable of handling petabytes of data across distributed systems. Maintaining performance in terms of speed and efficiency while processing these massive datasets is another challenge. Memory constraints arise because the data is often too large to fit into a single machine's memory, requiring new approaches. Finally, fault tolerance is crucial, as systems must be able to recover gracefully from node failures and network issues. To handle big data effectively, we need distributed computing frameworks. Apache Spark is a unified analytics engine designed for large-scale data processing and includes machine learning libraries. Hadoop MapReduce is a programming model that allows for processing large datasets across distributed clusters. Dask is a parallel computing library that helps scale Python analytics and machine learning workflows. This is an example of how Apache Spark can be used for machine learning. First, initialize Spark ML. Then, create a machine learning pipeline using logistic regression and fit it on the distributed data frame. Data partitioning is essential in distributed computing. Horizontal partitioning involves splitting data by rows across multiple nodes, based on keys or hash functions. Feature partitioning distributes features across nodes, while keeping samples together. Random partitioning randomly distributes data chunks to balance the load across cluster nodes. Proper partitioning ensures a balanced workload distribution across all nodes. Several scalable machine learning algorithms are designed to handle large datasets. Stochastic Gradient Descent updates model parameters using small data batches instead of the entire dataset. Mini-batch learning processes data in small chunks that fit in memory while maintaining accuracy. Online learning continuously updates models as new data arrives in real-time streams. Ensemble methods combine multiple models trained on data subsets to achieve better performance. This example shows how mini-batch gradient descent can be implemented. For each epoch and for each batch in the data loader, perform a forward pass to obtain the predictions. Then calculate the loss and update the weights using an optimizer. MapReduce is a programming model that enables distributed processing. The map phase distributes data chunks to worker nodes and applies machine learning operations in parallel. The reduce phase aggregates the results from all nodes to compute the final model parameters. Let us examine the code for the distributed training. The map function trains on the data partitions and returns the local model weights. The reduce function aggregates these weights using average. To achieve optimal performance with big data machine learning, several techniques can be employed. Data compression reduces data transfer overhead by using columnar formats like Parquet, leading to faster input-output operations and lower storage costs. Smart caching involves caching frequently accessed datasets and intermediate results in memory, which avoids redundant computations and speeds up model iterations. Load balancing distributes the computational workload evenly across cluster nodes to prevent bottlenecks and maximize resource utilization. Finally, algorithm tuning optimizes hyperparameters and model architecture for distributed execution, resulting in better convergence and reduced training time. In summary, big data machine learning requires distributed computing frameworks such as Spark and Hadoop. Data partitioning strategies are crucial for efficient parallel processing. Scalable algorithms like stochastic gradient descent and mini-batch learning help manage memory constraints. Performance optimization through caching, compression, and load balancing is essential. Finally, the MapReduce paradigm enables fault-tolerant distributed machine learning. Now you are ready to scale your machine learning models. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.